Towering above the city of Arequipa, three majestic volcanoes stand as eternal guardians of Peru's white city. To the north, El Misti rises gracefully to nearly 6,000 meters, a symmetrical giant and symbol of Arequipa's spirit. And to the east, ancient Pichu Pichu stretches across the horizon. Its weathered slopes echoing stories of Incas, rituals, and time long past. To the west, Chachani's snow-capped ridges offer a dramatic contrast, a dormant volcano composed of several summits. Together, Misti, Chachani, and Pichu Pichu form a sacred trio, breathtakingly beautiful, eternally powerful, and affordable part of Arequipa's soul.